Jeff from SI Distributing. I want to go over a few basic steps needed to determine which flange bushing rebuild kit from Precision Planer Solutions you will need when ordering. The first step to take is to determine which row unit has the most wear or unwanted movement. Once you have that determined, you can go ahead and remove a couple bushings and take a measurement of the hole on those parallel arms. When you measure those holes, be sure to use a caliper and find the widest point of that hole to determine how much wear you have. Once the wear is determined, you can use our ordering guide and select which kit you will need based off the row unit you have and the planer make and model. Some other helpful information to provide is if you have any aftermarket attachments that tie into these hardware pieces on your parallel arms, or if you have any OEM down pressure that attaches in those same spots as well. That information is always helpful to determine which kit and which components you will need.